Welcome back to Merida Magic. In today's video, we're checking off essential cleaning supplies to pack or purchase when you move to Merida, Mexico. If you are new to Merida Magic, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Are you planning to relocate to the magical city of Merida, Mexico? Have you thought about the cleaning essentials you'll need to make your new home comfortable and up to your cleanliness standards? As you embark on this exciting new chapter, it's important to remember that different regions have diverse cleaning standards and necessities. What you're used to may not be the norm where you're headed. Being prepared is key to navigating this shift, especially when it comes to maintaining the cleanliness and hygiene of your new home. So, don't worry, I've got you covered with a list of essential cleaning supplies you should consider bringing or buying when you move to Merida. So, what are these cleaning essentials we're talking about? Well, let's dive right in. First and foremost, vinegar. This versatile product is not only great for pickling your favorite veggies, but it's also a fantastic cleaning agent, especially when it comes to laundry. Due to the unique water conditions in Mexico, vinegar can help keep your clothes fresh and bright. Next up, we have Harpic Toilet Cleaner. This magic potion is your best friend when it comes to tackling those pesky calcium deposits in your toilet. A regular scrub with Harpic will ensure your toilet is clean, shiny, and calcium-free. Now, let's talk about laundry detergent. It's a no-brainer, right? But the right detergent can make all the difference, ensuring your clothes come out clean and smelling great every time. Then we have dish liquid. From washing your favorite mug to tackling that greasy frying pan, a good dish liquid is a must-have in any household. Moving on, we have a surface cleaner like Fabuloso. This product not only cleans but leaves your surfaces smelling divine. It's perfect for kitchen counters, bathroom surfaces, and even floors. Let's quickly revisit the cleaning essentials for your move to Merida. We've covered a lot, so here's a short recap. Vinegar is your go-to for both cleaning and laundry, especially considering the water in Mexico. It's a versatile, natural cleaner that can handle a variety of tasks. Harpic Toilet Cleaner is a must-have for dealing with calcium buildup in your toilet. You'll also need a good quality laundry detergent and dish liquid to keep your clothes and dishes spotless. Don't forget a surface cleaner like Fabuloso for all your hard surfaces. You'll also need some basic cleaning tools like a broom, mop, dustpan, and mop bucket to keep your floors clean. And of course, bleach is essential for deep cleaning and disinfecting. These products aren't just about cleanliness, they're about comfort. They're about making your new home in Merida feel like, well, home. By ensuring you have these essentials, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more comfortable transition. Remember, preparation is key when moving to a new place. With these cleaning essentials, you're one step closer to feeling right at home in the beautiful city of Merida, Mexico. If you found these tips helpful or have additional suggestions, share them in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips, treats, and tools. See you in the next video.